The updated 714-8 allows for quicker takeovers with its new end-of-line resistor capabilities. The 714-8 has been updated to allow end-of-line resistor values from 1K all the way to 4.7K. That's going to allow you to take over existing devices that are out in the field using, let's say, 2K resistors, 2.2K resistors, 3.3K resistors, all the way up to that 4.7K. Of course, you're still able to use the 1K default DMP resistor that comes in the hardware pack with it, but it does allow for that flexibility for those installs that may be existing out there. So as you can see, the 714-8 will really help speed up those installations by not having to go and search for those end-of-line resistors.